Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create green screen background in CapCut PC. So for instance, just going to add images you like to edit, and you can click the clip and go to cutout to remove the background. So select go to cutout or chroma key. Just going to select go to cutout. So after done, go to basic and scroll down until you find canvas and select color, select just color and select the green screen color like so. Alright, so that's how you can create green screen color in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.